Feminist literary criticism is a literary analysis that arises the viewpoint of feminism, feminist theory, and/or feminist politics. It uses the principles and ideology of feminism to critique the language of literature. So the difference between feminism, feminist theory, and feminist politics. Feminism is a diverse social and political movement advocating for social, economic, and political equality of the sexes. Feminist theory is the extension of feminism into the theoretical, fictional, or philosophical discourse, while feminist politics advocating for women's rights and challenging patriarchal structures that perpetuate gender inequality. Let's proceed to learning objectives. Students will be able to identify and analyze the representation of women in literary texts, examine gender roles and power dynamics within literary works, critique patriarchal norms and stereotypes in literature, apply feminist literary criticism to analyze various literary genres and periods. The last one is understand the historical and cultural text of feminist literary criticism. There are 5 Ks and concepts of feminist literary criticism, which is the first is patriarchy, the system of power in which men hold or married power and privilege. So ani nga part is ang patriarchy is ang male ba yung sila ba yung pinaka-high na power. And the second is gender roles, socially constructed expectations and behaviors associated with male or female. So ani gender roles is big baji ka, dapat naragat sa pambaji ng mga buhat. Kung laki ka, nakas buhat na panglalaki nga na. Kung laki ka, ikaw ang maratong na mag-provide ka sa community. Kung baji ka, household chores. And the third one is stereotypes, oversimplified and often negative generalization about groups of people. So stereotypes is ang example na is ang baji, emotional na baji, and ang laki is 1, rational, strong, or aggressive. 1 ang stereotypes. And the fourth one is intersectionality, coined by a legal scholar, Kimberly Crenshaw, in the late 1980s. The interplay of multiple social identities such as race, class, and sexuality, and shaping experiences of power and oppression. And let's proceed. The fifth is feminist literary theory, a critical approach that examines literature from a gender perspective, challenging patriarchal norms and stereotypes. So, sa feminist literary theory is male characters embody and perpetuate patriarchal norms, creating the idealization of masculinity of the portrayal of men as dominant. So, kung sa male, magiging masculinity, then female characters challenge stereotypical representations of women as passive, submissive, or dimensional. So, kung may submissive is murag ka ang body, sunusunan sa mga nakikinan na. Then there is 5 feminist literary criticism approaches. The first one is biological feminism, emphasizes the inherent differences between men and women and the biological basis of gender roles. So, biological is inherent of laki ka. Then cultural feminism focuses on the unique experiences and perspectives of women and the importance of creating a separate women's culture. Then Marxist feminism analyzes the relationship between gender and class, arguing that women's oppression is rooted in economic systems. So examples of Marxist feminism is occupational segregation. Women are often concentrated in lower paying, less prestigious occupations such as care work and service industries. It limits women's economic opportunities and reinforces gender equality. So examines the psychological and unconscious factors that shape identity and behavior. So example na ni psychoanalytic feminism is mother-child relationship, the impact of maternal caregiving on gender identity and development. Then post-colonial feminism critiques the ways in which colonialism and imperialism have marginalized and oppressed women of color. So example is land rights and environmental justice. Examine how indigenous women are often marginalized and dispossessed of their land and resources. Murag ako na tamarili na kung body ka is ka na wag ka kay murag kung sa juta ka na wag kay kung bitaw ka na murag hindi mo madaba ang kanang na mga bahay sa mga Amerikano kay si everybody na doon maka sa mga laki di ba yung anak kung mamidyo ka
sa balido di ko na hindi mo mala
Then case studies analyzing literature through a feminist lens. An example of first wave feminist literary analysis would be a critique of William Shakespeare's Taming of the Shrew for Patricia's abuse of Katrina. So kung may shrew is ka ng masungit ito ang anak sa Pilipinas. And the Taming of the Shrew is a comedy by William Shakespeare that explores themes of marriage, gender roles, and societal expectations. So ang Taming of the Shrew is that explores this of themes of marriage, gender roles, and societal expectations. Then sa international interpretation, kung ano ang gingan nga kung ang budget ito is pa na magsunod na sila sa mga napki, kung ano siya. Then, where women expected to be submissive and obedient to their husbands. Kung ano siya ang Taming of the Shrew. Then, gender criticism, pioneered by Elaine Showalter in her book, A Literature of Your Own, in 1977. There are three phases of women's writing. So, ang three phases of women's writing is, one is self-discovery sa mga female. Self-discovery of women's life. Then the first is the female writers trying to adhere to male values and writing as men. Female writers often employ male pseudonyms during this period. So, kung may pseudonyms is, matawag ko rin sa pen name. During that time, matawag ko rin sa pen name. Mura ba kaangga? For example, ka ng mga artista, di ba? Mura sila mga kaangga. Sila, hindi nila tinod na pangalan ni sa public. Kana si Darius, mura lang, gamit nila sa mga women's writer, pseudonyms para maitawag ang identity ng bodies nila para makahimo sila writing without sa mga gender issues nila. Then the second phase is the feminist. The central theme of works by female writers was criticism of the role of women in society and the oppression of women. And the third one is the female women writers were no longer trying to prove the legitimacy of women's perspectives. So, ani na makita nga ang mga babae dyan is needed basta-basta nga makahubos sila kay di ba naman po yung mga writings sa mga babae is ka na makahatag ito empower sa tanan ito ano sila. Then Elizabeth Cady Stanton, The Women's Bible written in the late 19th century, is an example of work of criticism looking beyond the more of this male-centered outlook and interpretation. So about aning book is paan, nagamit si Elizabeth o ng mga biblical text. Diba kung sa ba na biblical text like by interpreting biblical text, Stanton aims to inspire social change and promote gender equality. What is ang aim sa kanang mga books, the Women's Bible. Then key areas of focus in feminist literary criticism, the representation of women. Feminist critics examine how women are portrayed in literature, including their roles, agency, and power dynamics. Then the second is gender roles and stereotypes. Analyze the gender roles and stereotypes not By examining these aspects of literature, feminist critics can offer valuable insights into the representation, gender, power, and societal experience